kaunti ma Kisumu ni gikone to duol mar Iebc ko to Opuodhi ayanga migosi Ranguma kaka jalar kom Gavana e kaunti ma Kisumu. Migosi Ranguma koro en jagono ero mar ariyo mabende Opuodhi mar Laro kom no ero yiero mabiro maduong' gi otiko no ero mar MDG. Kanya wadgi mabende gilaro godo en ngire Peter Anyang' Nyong'o mabende chung kod otiko mar ODM. Ka oloso kod ute fwambo odiochieng' ma kawuono ka tiegruok matomboya Labour College, migosi Ranguma okwayo oganda mondo tim campaigns magi e yor kwe kendo okwayo oganda mondo owit oko weche moko mawachore ni ne otiyo marach e kinde mabende ne en Gavana ma kaunti ma Kisumu.
Today I have been cleared to stand for the seat of Governor of Kisumu County. I have been cleared because I have met all the conditions that were put to us by Iebc. But I want to take this opportunity to thank the people of Kisumu for your relentless pressure to push me to stand to represent you. Not that I didn't want to stand, but I wanted the current governor to complete his term fully. Today I'm here because the official election period starts now. Today I was on radio and I told you that our governor, the one who is outgoing, he specializes in propaganda. And that propaganda war, I am not good at. I tell the truth. I tell the truth as it is, and I hope I will continue to tell you, I believe I will continue to tell you the truth. Because I want us as a people to work together as a team to build Kisumu that is going to be, to contain great benefits and also to carry our people along with us as we build Kisumu. This is going to be critical. We have aligned our agenda as a group. One, we will complete all the projects we had started because they were projects that were identified by the people, so that we live a better Kisumu for the people of Kisumu. Thirdly, and more importantly, we must revive the economy of Kisumu. When I left, economy of Kisumu was booming beyond Kisii. Today, Kisii has surpassed Kisumu in terms of economics. Now, what we want is our people to have money, to do trade unhindered, and to make sure that everybody else who does not have formal employment employs himself or herself in a business that they are allowed to do without being molested. This is important and is an agenda that I want to push so that everybody else has a chance to make money to feed their families and to take their kids to school. That is key for me. Finally, I want to say this. I want to appeal to all of you. Not even a single drop of blood, not even a single drop of blood should be there in these elections. Let's avoid, let us preserve lives of people because we want a peaceful campaign devoid of propaganda and also that kind of warfare that sometimes I see in campaigns. It is important that we uphold this and make sure that we only seek mandate from the people of Kisumu, mandate that we will seek to serve the people of Kisumu, not to fight. Wawe go ago ko mawinjo kazi. Gigo ago ko ni gidhi donjo wadagi kata wayi. To jopiny gi ditangi wachne ni dagi kati jogi makati kel police to nyal nego ni. It won't happen. Erukamano na semno.